Hi, I'm Michele Renee Stone, and I am a therapeutic art life coach and also the founder of the Bridge to Authenticity program. Through the Bridge to Authenticity program, I provide several different modalities in order to create a more mentally healthy and more stable life. One of those modalities, or one of those focuses, is actually on reducing stress. And I have a webinar coming up this upcoming Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the information will be below. So I would love for you to join me. Part of the reason that I wanted to focus on reducing stress right now is that there's a lot of stress going on in the world, and I'm constantly hearing people talk about a variety of things. And I think it's important for us to, as much as there's things going on around outside of us, I think it's also very important for us to continue to come back into ourselves and come back to who we truly are and ground ourselves. And that's one of the things that I am constantly doing in my life, and I would like to provide that opportunity for others. And so if this sounds like something that you're interested in, there is a link below. Please go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you'll receive an email, a response that has the link to the Zoom link for tomorrow. Again, it's tomorrow, Friday, March 28th at 8 p.m. You go ahead and you sign up in the link below. That the link will provide the Zoom link for you to attend tomorrow night. And all you'll need is to just bring yourself. You can bring, like, some tea or probably, I don't know if you want to do coffee that late at night, but something to drink to kind of soothe you, and a piece of paper and just a pen, and that's it. And that's to doodle. That's not to take notes, because you don't really gonna need to take notes in this kind of thing, unless of course you want to. That's totally up to you. But I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and have a wonderful rest of your day.